Good morning, guys. It's 11:19 in the morning, and I like to cook pasta with taco flavor. It's like spaghetti, but you put only seasonings like taco, blend of blend of herbs, white pepper, of course the spaghetti. We have linguine, white pepper, taco, herbs, mixed herbs, different kind of herbs, tomato ketchup, garlic powder, tomato sauce, and we'll put cheese, cheddar cheese. And I put celery, slices of celery, carrots, and tomatoes, onions, and garlic. So this is spaghetti, cooking spaghetti, only we put the taco for seasoning and different kinds of blend. So I'm craving for pasta flavor taco or spaghetti taco. Taco or tacos? Taco. That one, taco flavor. And we put tomato sauce. And of course the ground beef. I'm cooking already the ground beef. So that will be good breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, I shredded some carrots also. You can put also red and green peppers. But me, this is all good. Thank you.